Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses in Google Forms. This is particularly useful when you need to remove test submissions, duplicate entries, or any responses that shouldn't be part of your final data collection. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the form you want to manage. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms where all your created forms are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific form that contains the responses you want to delete and click on it to open it up. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Responses. This tab is where all the submitted form data lives, and it's your control center for managing everything that's been collected. Now you'll notice different ways to view your responses. For our purpose, you need to click on Individual. This view mode allows you to see each response separately rather than in a summary format, which is essential for deleting specific submissions one by one. To navigate through all the responses you've received, use the Next Responses button. This button lets you cycle through each submission individually, making it easy to review them and identify which ones need to be removed. Take your time here to ensure you're looking at the right responses. When you've found a response you want to delete, look for the Delete Responses option, which is typically represented by a trash button or icon. Click on this button to initiate the deletion process for that particular response. Before the response is permanently removed, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Simply click Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with deleting the response. And there you have it. You've successfully removed unwanted responses from your Google form, keeping your data clean and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.